Hello friends, welcome back to Graphic Island YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about generic and overused logos which must be avoided. In the market of logo design, there is a tricky trap, the spreading of the generic logos. Most of the time, the logo is so generic, the customer isn't even able to get a trademark for it. Because of their overused logotypes, the company is not able to establish their brand in the marketplace. In this way, they are going straight in the opposite direction, than to distinguish themselves from others, which is the whole point of having a logo. Maybe the customers choose these logos because they feel familiar to it. What they don't know is that the web is full of similar clone logos. We can easily say that they are going to be cheated. These are the most overused cliches at the moment, which looks very simple and attractive for the clients, and designer found a easy way to sell these types of logos. These types of typography logo are made by using Trajan font, which looks very attractive. By making curve at the center and separating the text and giving two colors, top and bottom, these types of logos are made. These logos are made using Ethnocentric font, which is a free font to download. These types of logos called typography logo or the text logo, you can combine at least 3 or 4 initials together. You can leave some gap between the text, use at least 2 to 3 colors, 3 colors maximum, and you can form these types of logo which looks very attractive. These types of logos are made by using circle or the ellipse. These logos are made using the font Satisfaction. These types of logos widely attract to the women. These types of logos are made using square boxes and using word initials to it. And for financial graphics towards growth lines, these types of logos are trending. These types of logos are usually used for roof, homes, construction, real estate, and cubic buildings. This is a common trend on the market. When you heard about 3D logo design, these types of logo designs usually comes to your mind. This is also a common trend on the market. This is a stylish car. Trees where the trunk are people or hand, these types of logos are commonly made. These types of logos for bee-man or leafy man is used. Stylist human. Shapes with swoosh lines through it, usually used by online flight booking website or the traveling agencies. Drop shapes alone or mixed with leaves and other elements. Link bubble or dots. Logos which are made using gears. Some examples of logos made with mixed cliches. This was a short collection of what you can find in some creative communities. Just to give you an idea, 90% of them actually sold on the market. Every designer who agrees with the content of this video is free to share this video with their clients and friends and make them aware not to use generic and overused logos. Hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching.